Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice pudding with cooked rice. Start by warming 2 cups milk and 1/3 cup sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until steaming. Add 2 cups cooked rice, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Simmer gently, stirring often until creamy. Finish with a pat of butter and a sprinkle of cinnamon before serving warm or chilled. Warm, friendly voice. Keep the heat moderate and patient. This makes the creamiest pudding. Stir continuously to prevent sticking and to incorporate starch from the rice. Taste as you go and adjust sugar or vanilla for balance. If it becomes too thick, add a splash of milk to loosen. Remove from heat when desired consistency is reached and rest briefly so flavors meld before plating. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. Pick up Little Tree's Black Ice for a refreshing car scent that keeps your ride pleasant after kitchen adventures. I find its bold fragrance a funny but handy companion when returning with dessert supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Try simple add-ins to make the pudding your own. Raisins or nuts for texture, citrus zest for brightness, or a tablespoon of jam for depth. Cinnamon and nutmeg pair naturally, while a touch of butter adds silkiness. For a richer treat, fold in whipped cream when cooled slightly. Experiment with serving temperatures. This pudding is versatile and tastes great warm or chilled depending on your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.